Everybody wants to protect their home from thieves, and so you need a home security system in order to do that. Unfortunately, home security systems are not cheap. They come with fees, installation, and their monthly monitoring as well. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you a free app that you can download to help protect yourself and your family. Both of these apps belong to the same developer. The first one you download will go to your a phone that you don't use anymore. This would be your monitor phone. So this app is going to allow you to use your camera from your old phone as a monitor for your security system. The next app you use is going to be downloaded on your main phone. This is going to be the phone that you're going to use to control the other phones, and you can be able to see what's going on in your home. Now here's an example of some of the things you're going to probably need. I was able to pick up most of these things fairly cheaply. Most of them less than $5 each. You don't necessarily have to have these, but this is some examples. Like this little tripod right here, I was able to find it at a local 99-cent store. I only paid $2 for it. Now this tripod right here I picked up at Five and Below. And also this little thing right here that goes in the car, I picked this up at a 99-cent store. So let me open up this one right here and show you what's inside. Now the great thing about this tripod is it's foldable, it's collapsible, and you also have, this is the best part right here, this top right here is interchangeable with other tripods. Again, you don't have to buy this. I'm just giving you some examples of some of the ones that I have that work, and what type of setup you want to have in your home and where you want to place the monitor phone. Also, you can also add extra monitors to this. You can actually download, if you have more than one extra phone, you want to download another app to that one. So if you want to pick up a couple of these tripods, it'll be good for that. Now this one is one of my personal favorites because it's so versatile. The legs can be moved back and forth, and also the top is interchangeable with other tripods as well. So this one not only can stand on its own, but you can move these legs and it can wrap around something, so that you can maybe wrap it around a pole or just anything, and it'll hold its shape and hold the phone itself. So this is one of my personal favorites right here. Next, we have a full-size professional tripod. Now I was able to pick this up really cheap at a Goodwill, and I knew right away when I saw it, it was a really high quality professional tripod for cameras. So I'm a photographer as well, so I know what it was. So the good thing is I told you about these tops right here. They're interchangeable, and it screws right on the top of this professional tripod. And later in the video, I'm going to show you how I set this one up, and you can use this one for like really high shots, and it'll be stable, and you don't have to worry about it falling over. I really enjoy using this one right here a lot. And just like I said, the other one will fit on it just as well, and it just does the same thing, and they both work very good. And again, you don't have to buy this. I mean, not unless you really want to. You can buy one of these tripods new, I think for like $20 at Walmart, but like I said, it's not necessary. And here's how the cameras look. They're set up. So you just got an idea. This is an old phone I have, but the camera still works great, and it fits in the holder there pretty snugly. And you can position this camera where you want to. This is gonna be the monitor one. This is my main one, but I just put it in here just to show you how it fits in there, and it fits pretty. I even though I got a case, but it can fit pretty snug in there, and you don't have to worry about it falling off. And most of us are familiar with this car mount suction type phone holder, and this will work good with what we need to do too. So that's pretty much all the stuff we're gonna need. Now lastly, another thing you're gonna need to have, like I said, a home Wi-Fi. Also, you're gonna need to have like your main phone needs to have service on as well in order to use this remotely. Now you're ready to test it out. On your main phone, hit the red at home icon to get things started. Once you do that, it's going to bring up the main home page. From here, you need to add a streamer device. The streamer is going to be the second phone that you don't use. There's the camera. Now on your old phone, click on the other icon at home, the blue one, and you're going to bring up its home menu, and there's a QR code you got to scan that will automatically pair the two, the camera on your old phone with the app on a new phone, so you can start using it. Now you're live, and whatever it sees on the old phone, you can see on the app on your main phone. You just have to set it up where you want it at, and you might have to adjust it a couple times to make sure that you got a clear view. Just set it up and then go outside and you can test it out. You can look at on the app and you can see how the picture looks. You might have to adjust it a couple times to get it to your liking. And like I said, if you have several old phones laying around that you don't use, you might want to consider adding another camera for some other part of the house. And like always, you want to test it out to make sure that it's framed up right, so you can get us a good quality, stable video. Now once you have it all set up and ready to go, you just set it and forget it. It's motion activated, so they're not going to worry about capturing everything, but as soon as something comes within range, it's going to automatically turn on, and you'll get a notification on your main phone that there's some activity on the camera that you need to take a look at. Now you can also set up one inside the house, maybe facing at an entryway, to see if anybody comes in. This can be helpful now, especially if you're expecting somebody to come in. Maybe you have children coming in from school. You want to make sure when they get in there. You can also check for, like, just if it's any intruder that maybe got off on the other one, and you want to see if they can come in. You're going to use a tripod, and you can check the front door. You can put it on the back door. It doesn't matter. You arm it the same way you did before. Just turn on the blue app and just set it and forget it. And wait for it to come up, and then you can just click on this button right here to let it go live. Once it's live, any activity that comes on, it's going to notice it. And then, like I said, as long as there's Wi-Fi in the house, you shouldn't have a problem with capturing motion. Anything that comes in range and it triggers the camera, it's going to be caught, and you'll be able to see it on your main phone through the monitor phone. And you also has features of voice where you can talk back to people. I hadn't actually used that one yet, but I know it's available, and it might be used for the premium one. Surprising thing about this app is all the features that it includes is comparable to some of the ones that you would pay for, but it's free. Not everything's free, but most of it is free. Now, a lot of things like the quality of the recording will depend on the phone itself. So the newer the phone that you have that you're not using will probably be better if it was an older Android phone, or it also works on iOS too. But the newer the phone, the better the quality of the video that you'll be recording. It has more than one uses also. You can use it as a baby monitor as well for free. Just set it like you would before. Also, you can check on your pets while you're away. You can interact with them as well with using the speaker to make sure they don't get anything. It's a ton of features on this free app, something you will find in the paid app. And now your home should be fully protected. So if you like this video, be sure to subscribe, like, subscribe to my channel if you already have it. Thanks very much for watching, and we'll see you again next time.